Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the EarFun UBOOM X. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The original price was $160, but if you buy this on Amazon and click the coupon, you're going to save $30. So that's going to drop the price to $130. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this one is Bluetooth version 5.3, and it features true wireless stereo. That means you can pair two of these together wirelessly. Now the speaker's IP67, dust and water resistant. You're getting 80 watts of total power. For the speakers, you got two 4-inch woofers and two 20mm tweeters. Now the battery life is 30 hours on a single charge, and it features 30-watt fast charge. Now you got a built-in power bank and a built-in mic for hands-free calls. You got RGB lights, and there's an app available for Android and iOS that lets you customize all your settings. All right, so all of that for $130. Let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, so inside of the box, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Let's see how long this is. Nice and long, giggity. And you get the carrying strap. And of course, your speaker. Now in the front of the speaker, you got a metal speaker grill, EarFun branding. Underneath, you can see your two woofers and your two tweeters. Got a handle on the top. There's your hooks for your carrying strap. On the sides, you got your passive radiators. These are going to be jumping. On the bottom, 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. Flip it around to the back. Now it is water resistant, so you got the little flap. Once you open this up, you got USB Type-C in and out, and you got a 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. On the top, these are going to be your buttons. Now it's a little bit hard to see, but you got a power button, you got your Bluetooth pairing, you got play and pause, volume up and down, you got your RGB light button, and your true wireless stereo button. So let's go ahead and power this up. Oh, actually, the power button. Okay. And there's your LEDs for your battery level indicator. Simple and clean. Actually, on the front, there's your RGB lights. Now, the first thing you want to do is download the EarFun app and make sure you update the speaker. All right, so here's how the app looks, fully updated. Now you can power the speaker on and off. You got a picture of your speaker, the battery percentage. You got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got the name of your speaker. You got video mode, so just in case you pair this to a TV, it's going to be low latency. You got a bunch of different EQ presets. Okay, jazz, R&B, country, rock, pop, extra treble, extra bass. You can do custom EQ. And you have the Olaf signatures. So you got studio, indoor, indoor plus, outdoor, outdoor plus, boom XXX, and ground zero. Now you also got your lighting effects. You can change the different color RGB lights on the front. It's hard to see right here. I'm going to dim the lights so you can get a better view. And you also have random, and you can create your own colors. You got your voice prompt settings, automatic shutdown. I'm going to leave mine on 30 minutes. You got a product tutorial, facts, and your version. You can also do a factory reset. Fully functional app. Now here's one of the things that I love about this speaker. It charges via USB Type-C. So that means you can charge it with your phone charger, your laptop charger, whatever you got on deck. And it also has USB Type-C out. So you can use it as a power bank, charge up your phone, your tablet, your camera, whatever you got in your pocket. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. Now I'm going to start off at 50% volume with the default EQ settings. Here we go. Put your headphones on. Now you can tell this speaker has a lot of bass. Now I'm going to start the song over. Let's take it over to maximum volume. Here we go. Okay, now I got to keep it a buck with y'all. The Olaf settings, for the EQ, make a huge difference. I think the Boom XXX is my favorite. Let's try another song. All right, now you heard it for yourself. This little speaker packs a punch. And make sure you try those different EQ settings. They really make a difference. The volume is nice and loud. Y'all heard that deep pounding bass? For $130, this is a win. Let's try out the speakerphone. I'm going to call up Amaya. Okay. EarFun UBOOM X. Let's get some volume.
Hello.
Hi, girlie.
Hello, Father.
What's up? What you doing?
I'm about to go big my back. I gotta get wings.
Bro.
What can I say? What can I say? I got a big back.
Come on, bro. You are backlicious. Back to
I'm
you
back,
going
I'm
back to the future.
Back to my backtivities.
But your backtivities? All right, check this out. I'm making a YouTube video, right?
Okay.
Now I'm using a speakerphone. How does it sound?
Sounds good. You sound a little far though.
All right, because I am a little far because I don't want to be yelling right into my camera microphone. I'm actually about 6 feet away.
Oh wow, okay.
But it sounds.
I wouldn't say that. COVID, stay 6 feet. I feel you.
But it sounds good though. You feeling it?
It does sound good. I like to rock with this. I'm vibing.
All right, so I'm gonna bring this over for Xmas.
Oh my God.
That's how I don't say
so
Christmas.
Punny. Why you gotta have a pun for everything?
I say Xmas, bro. All right. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rank this?
Like speaker wise, I'm gonna say a 9.
About a 9? Okay, that sounds good. You sound good on my end too. Nice and loud.
I always sound good.
Okay.
Gang.
All right. So get back to your back activities.
I got to go big my back.
Go big your back up, y'all. I'm about to do the same now.
Bye. I'm backing my back.
Bye. Okay. Now, you can't beat having a speakerphone on your party speaker or your Bluetooth speaker, or your speaker for your work, whatever. Just having the ability to talk on the phone. Just now I'm playing my music, and at any moment I get a phone call, start talking on the phone right from the speaker. That is a huge plus. Let's keep it moving. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the EarFun UBOOM X a major go. And at $130, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. It's the holiday season. This makes a perfect gift. It's IP67 dust and water resistant, so you can take it to all of your barbecues, all of your beach parties. You got 80 watts of power. You got 30 hours battery life. It charges via USB Type-C, so you got chargers everywhere. You got a built-in power bank, built-in speakerphone, RGB lights, and an app that has a customizable EQ. Again, for $130, this is a total win. Anyway, this is the EarFun UBOOM X. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. All right, so one more thing I wanted to mention. Now, over the years, a lot of people ask me what music do I use in my videos. Well, shout out to my man, DJ Vonvitti. We just dropped the official Flossy Carter Calm Down mixtape. Now, I'll leave the link for this up in the description. Check it out. You got all of my classic test music on deck. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energized.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.